Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the multi-cam tool inside Adobe Premiere. You can film a production using multiple cameras and actually have the program pretty much automate everything for you, and I'm going to go through the steps on how to do that. So getting right into it, we're going to create a new project. We're just going to call it multi-cam. So I'm going to bring my clips in. I have my 4 camera shot clips right here. And I have them all right here. So bring that up a little bit so we can kind of see what we're working on. So once I have all of my clips up in here, you can just see if I double click, they'll be up here in the window. But I'm going to click, shift, click to select them all. So I'm going to select them all and I'm going to go right click, create multi-scene camera. And now what I have here is multicam. So the settings within here are going to be as follows. You can leave all of these blank. What you need to make sure that you have selected down here is under audio, you need to have mix down. What that's going to do is it's going to find the best audio clip and use that one. You're going to go over here, sequence camera settings, camera 1, that's fine, automatic, and everything else should be able to stay the same. You're going to go ahead and click OK, and it's going to process all of these clips into one multi-scene sequence, multi-camera sequence. So you could see that it created a folder with all of the processed clips, and now I have my camera 1 multi-scene multi-cam. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to just drag it into the timeline, and I'm going to have everything here. It's just you won't see any of the multiple camera options yet. So let me bring this down. But what we want to do first is you want to scrub through this footage until we can actually find where he starts. So I'm going to have my clapper show up, and he's kind of just getting started right now. So scrub through it so you can see there's the clapper right here. So what you can do is just take this excuse me, hit the C for the cut. And then what I'm going to do is go back to my V for the move tool, and I'm going to just delete this. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to ripple delete this all the way to the very beginning. So now you can see that it's only going to play one camera angle right now. So what we need to do is we need to now go over here to this settings into the program window, and we need to actually go up here to multi-cam view. So once we choose that, it's going to split it up into our four different camera views. So this is where it's becomes really easy and fun at this point. So now I'm just going to click spacebar on my keyboard, and I'm going to either use my mouse to click through the different cameras as the timeline is progressing. So I can use that, or I can just use on my keyboard 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and just start. I'm going to start with this camera 1 right here. Then I'm going to go to this close-up over here. And I'm going to go over here to camera 2. Go down here, so I'm panning down. So when I click on my space bar to stop it, you can see how it's automatically now cut these up. So now when I go back here to my normal composite video, you can see that it's cut it up for you automatically. It's taking that one audio clip that we had the microphone set up to, so that's really cool how it senses that. And that is it.